Dear student, today we start with the tissue. Aim for today's practically microscopic study of epithelial, connective, muscular and nervous tissue. Next one is histology. The histology is the branch of biology which deals with the study of the microscopic structure of animal or the plant tissue. It provides valuable information on the functional morphology of tissue. Next is tissue preparation. Tissue preparation for light microscopy include: first step is fixation, second one is dehydration, third one is cleaning, fourth one is embedding, fifth one is sectioning, sixth one is mounting and the staining. Now the first one is fixation. In the fixation, tissue is treated with chemical to retard the degradation and to maintain the normal structure. Fixative agents are: first one is formalin and second one is the Bowen's fluid. Second step is the dehydration. Water from tissue is removed by washing with graded concentration of alcohol. Third one is the cleaning. Tissue is treated with xylene and after treatment it appears as a transparent. Fourth one is embedding. The tissue is placed in melted paraffin and allows the paraffin to infiltrate the tissue. It is then hardened and paraffin blocks are prepared. Fifth one is sectioning. A machine called microtome is used for sectioning the paraffin block. For light microscopy, 5 to 10 micrometer section are used. Sixth one is mounting and the staining. Sections are placed on slide and stained by suitable staining medium. A cover sleeve is affixed by suitable mounting medium. Next one is common staining agent. First one stain is the hematoxylin. They imparts blue color to the nucleus acidic region of the cytoplasm. Second one is the eosin, which imparts pink color to basic region of cytoplasm collagen fibers. Third one is the iron hematoxylin, which imparts black color to strains of muscles, nuclei and the erythrocyte. Fourth one is the Mason trichrome, imparts the dark blue color to nuclei, red color to muscle, keratin and the cytoplasm, light blue color to mucinogen and the collagen. Next one is the fifth one is Bridge strain, which imparts the pink color to erythrocyte, eosinophils granules, blue color to cytoplasm of the monocyte and the lymphocyte. Now next one is the tissue. Tissue is a group of cells of common origin and the function. There are the four types of tissue. First one is epithelial tissue, second one is connective tissue, third one is muscular tissue and fourth one is the nervous tissue. Next one is body tissue. Tissues, which is a group of closely associated cells with similar structure and the function. Four primary tissue types. First one is epithelial, which means by protection. Connective, which means by the support. Nervous tissue, it means the control. And muscle, which means the movement. Most organs contains the several tissue types and the arrangement of tissue determines the structure and function of the organ. Now starts with the epithelial tissue. The epithelial tissue is a sheet of cell that covers a body surface or lines a body cavity. It is of two types, covering and the lining epithelium. First one is simple epithelium. It consists of single layer of the cell and it is of the four types. First one is the simple squamous epithelium. Second one is the simple cuboidal epithelium. Third one is the simple columnar epithelium. And fourth one is the pseudostratified columnar epithelium. Second one is the stratified epithelium. It consists of layer of the cell. It is of the four types: stratified squamous epithelium, stratified cuboidal epithelium, stratified columnar epithelium, and fourth one is the transitional epithelium. Third one type is the glandular epithelium, which is a unicellular exocrine glands. Example is the goblet cell. This goblet cell secrete the mucus. Multicellular exocrine glands. Simple gland do not have the branch duct. First one is simple tubular, intestinal gland, simple branch tubular, gastric gland, simple alveolar, not found in humans, simple branch alveolar, oil gland, compound gland have the branch duct, compound tubular, bulbourethral gland, duodenal gland, compound alveolar, includes the mammary gland, compound tubuloalveolar, includes the salivary gland and the pancreatic gland. Now next one is the description of tissues. First one is epithelial tissue. In that, simple squamous epithelium. Location of simple squamous epithelium are endothelial lining of the heart, blood vessels and lymphatic vessels, alveolar membrane in the lung and the glomerular capsule. Description is single layer of the flat cell with the central nuclei. Now see in the diagram, these are the single layer of the flat cell which contains the central nuclei. Function is to allow the diffusion and the filtration. They secrete the lubricating substances in the cilious membrane. Next one is the simple cuboidal epithelium. In that location is lining of kidney tubules, surface of ovary, secretory portion and the ducts of the some glands. Description is single layer of cube-like cells with centrally located nucleus. Now see, these are the single layer of cube-like cells and the centrally located nucleus. Function is the secretion and the absorption. Next one is the simple columnar epithelium. Location is non-ciliated simple columnar epithelium lies in gastrointestinal tract from stomach to the anus, ducts of some glands and gallbladder. Ciliated simple columnar epithelium lies bronchioles, uterine tube, uterus, central canal of spinal cord, ventricles in the brain. Description are single layer of column-like cells with oval nuclei. At base, insulated type cell bear cilia and layer may contain goblet cell which secrete the mucus. Function is secretion of mucus, absorption. In ciliary type, ciliary action moves the mucus. Next one is pseudostratified columnar epithelium. Location is ciliated type lines most of the upper respiratory tract and non-ciliated type lies epididymis and ducts of large gland. Description: single layer of cell with different heights. Nuclei of cells are present at different levels. Layer may contain cilia and the goblet cell. Function are secretion and movement of the mucus. It means the ciliary action. Next one is stratified squamous epithelium. Location is keratinized type forms epidermis of the skin and non-keratinized type forms lining of mouth, esophagus and the vagina. Description: thick membrane of several layers of the cell. Surface cells are flat. Basal cells are cuboidal or columnar and are metabolically active. Surface cells in keratinized type are full of keratin and are metabolically inactive. Function is protection. Next one is stratified cuboidal epithelium. Location is ducts of sweat and the esophageal gland and the male urethra. Description is layer of tube-like cell. And function is protection and absorption. Next is stratified columnar epithelium. Location is pharynx, male urethra and some glandular ducts. Description: several layers of irregular cells. Apical layer is columnar and the function is the protection. Next one is the transitional epithelium. In that location is lining of uterus, urinary bladder and the urethra. Appearance of cell depends on the degree of stretch, that is squamous to cuboidal, and the function is permits the distension of organ, especially urinary bladder. Next one is the connective tissue. The connective tissue classification of connective tissue is as follows. First one is the embryonic connective tissue, again divided into two parts, mesenchyma and the mucous connective tissue. Next one is the connective tissue proper. First one is the loose connective tissue. In that areolar connective tissue, adipose connective tissue and the reticular connective tissue. Next one is the dense connective tissue. In that dense regular connective tissue, dense irregular connective tissue, elastic connective tissue. Next one is the cartilage. In that the hyaline cartilage, fibrocartilage, elastic cartilage. Next one is the bone tissue. Next is liquid connective tissue, in that the blood and the lymph. First one is the embryonic connective tissue. Location is mesenchyma in embryo under the skin and in bones, adults and the blood vessel. Mucous connective tissue, umbilical cord. In the description, mesenchyma, which is irregular cells in semi-solid matrix of the reticular fiber, and mucous connective tissue in a fibroblast in semi-solid matrix of collagen fiber. Function is mesenchyma for the formation of connective tissue and mucous connective tissue which gives the support tissue. Next one is the connective tissue proper, in that the loose connective tissue. In loose connective tissue, first one is the areolar connective tissue. Location is beneath the epithelial tissue in the skin, mucous membrane and the blood vessel. Next one is description. Semi-solid matrix of collagen, reticular and elastic fiber. Cells present are fibroblasts, macrophages, mast cells and the plasma cells. Functions are strength and support, and macrophages is the phagocytosis. It means the killing of the foraging materials or the bacteria. Next one is adipose tissue. Location is under the skin, around kidney, heart, eyeballs, breast and the abdomen. Matrix as that of the areolar type but less dense. The tissue are known as the adipocyte or the fat cells. Function is which is act as the insulator and reduce heat loss through the skin, energy reserve, support and the protects the organ. Reticular connective tissue. Location is lymph nodes, red bone marrow, spleen and the stroma of the liver. Description: network of reticular fiber in loose ground substances, reticular cells, and the function is forms the framework of the organ. Dense connective tissue. In that the dense connective tissue, first one is dense regular connective tissue. Location is tendons, most of the ligaments, aponeurosis, Description is numerous collagen fiber, few elastin fiber, and the cell fibroblast. Function is the attachment. Dense irregular connective tissue, that location is in the dermis of the skin, membrane capsule of organ, capsule of joint, pericardium, and the heart wall. Description is randomly arranged collagen fiber, few elastic fiber, cell is fibroblast. Function is withstand tension and the strength. Elastic connective tissue, location is lung, trachea, elastic arteries and the vocal cords. Description is branch elastic fiber, cells is fibroblast and function is elasticity. Next one is the cartilage. That first one is the hyaline cartilage. Location is embryonic skeleton, ends of long bone in the joint cavity, parts of ribs, nose, trachea and the larynx. For matrix, network of collagen fibers and cell is chondroblast. Function is which gives the support and the flexibility. Second one is the fibrocartilage. Location is the disc in knee joint, intervertebral disc and pubic symphysis. Description: matrix less firm than the hyaline cartilage, bundles of collagen fiber, cells of chondrocytes. Function is which is act as the shock absorber. Next one is elastic cartilage. Location is the epiglottis and the auricle of the ear or the pinna of the ear. Description: network of elastic fiber in matrix, cell is the chondrocytes and function is they gives the flexibility and maintains the shape of the structure. Next one is bone tissue. Location is bones of the skeleton. Description is matrix is hard and calcified collagen fibers. Cell is stereocyte. Function is protection. Gives the support, storage of calcium and site of the hemopoiesis. Next one is the liquid connective tissue, includes the blood and the lymph. Blood location is inside the blood vessels and the heart. Description: form the elements of the blood are RBC, WBC and the platelet. Function is transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide, waste, nutrients and involved in immune response. Next one is the muscular tissue. The muscular tissue are classified as skeletal muscle, smooth muscle and the cardiac muscle. First one is the skeletal muscle. Location is skeletal muscle are attached to the bone. Description: skeletal muscles are long, cylindrical, multinucleated and the straight fiber. Function is voluntary activity and the heat production. Next one is smooth muscle. Location is walls of the hollows, organs and iris of eye. Description: spindle shaped, non-striated cells with centrally located nucleus. Function is propulsion along hollow passageway and involuntary actions. Next one is cardiac muscle. Location is middle heart wall. Description: which is a branch, uninucleated, straight cells, centrally located nuclei and intercalated disc. Function is contraction result in pumping of blood involuntary. Next one is the nervous tissue. The nerve tissue are the neurons and the neuroglia. Next one, first one is the neuron. Location is the nervous system, brain, spinal cord and the nerves. Description: nerve has the three parts, cell body, axon and the dendrites. Function is the impulse transmission. These are the cell body, axon and the dendrites. Neuroglia location is closely associated with the neurons. Description: 4 neuroglia in central nervous system as the astrocyte, ependymal cells, oligodendrocyte and the microglial cells. 2 neuroglia in peripheral nervous system as the Schwann cells and the satellite cell. Function is give the support, insulation and the protection. Result is the microscopic study of epithelial, connective, muscular and nervous tissue was studied. Next one is question bank. First question: which of the following is not a category of tissue? Answer is skin. Next one is the classification of tissue is based on. Answer is the cell layering and shape. Transitional epithelium is found in the urinary bladder. Epithelial membranes are composed of epithelium and the connective tissue. Name of the branch of biology which deals with the study of tissue? Answer is histology. What is tissue? A group of cells which performing similar function combines to form a tissue. What are the 3 types of muscle tissue? Cardiac muscle, smooth muscle and the skeletal muscle. Up to that we have covered all the tissues. Thank you.